Hello everybody and welcome back to the Mr. Matthew Does Coding YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can scale GUI objects to work on all devices without having to use any kind of plugin. So let's get started. If we go over to our workspace here, or Explorer, sorry, and go into Starter GUI, open up a Screen GUI and add in anything. I'll just add in an image label. And I'll give it a little image. There we go. So now we have our object, and I'm assuming you already have your GUI object that you're trying to scale right now. And when we try and change the device here to something smaller, like an iPhone 6, it's all the way down here in the corner. iPhone 4S, well, I mean, it's not even there on the screen anymore. So it's different, it's in a different position every single time we change the device to something different. We don't want that, because we want it to just be in one place on the screen for all devices. So, how do we do that? Well, most people would say that you go and get the plugins to do it and all that kind of stuff, but if you can't get a plugin or you don't have the Robux for it, then there's a simple manual way to do it. So if we go into the properties of our image label here and we search up position, we'll see its UDIM2 position here. And you can see that the first number in each of the curly brackets is 0, and then the second is something. And when we move this around, you can see that the second number in each of these changes. So the second number is the offset, not the scale. That's what the first number in these are. They're scale, and then the second number is offset. So if we change our values to being the first number in the curly brackets, then the second number, then we can fix the scaling issue. Now, we can't simply just switch the values because the way that the scale and the offset work are different. So 528 and 233 would put this image all the way out in the void where nothing is. So the way that I like to start with this readjustment is I set it to 0, 0, and then I'll set the first value in each of the curly brackets to 0.5, and I'll put it just somewhere like that. And then now that we have these values set instead of the second set of values, when we move this around on the screen, it'll by default change the value of the first set of numbers. So then you can just take it and you can put it wherever you want. I'll put it right there in the center of the screen. And now, if we go to a smaller screen, it's there. Even on the tiniest screen, our image stays in the center of the screen. And I can keep clicking on others, and it gives us the same results. So, I hope this was helpful for you in scaling your GUIs, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.